Hello guys, welcome back to Gadgets Daily. In this video we will see all details like specifications, price and launch date of latest Pixel 8, so don't skip the video and watch till last. Google Pixel 8 series phones have earned a reputation as some of the best budget Android devices on the market. Despite making hardware sacrifices, they excel with their lower price points and access to Google's renowned software and camera technology. With each iteration, Google has been narrowing the hardware gap between the A series and the regular Pixels. The Pixel 7a, for instance, showcased significant improvements with its smoother 90Hz display, enhanced cameras, and introduction of wireless charging support. Now, with insights from a reliable source within Google, we have a sneak peek at the specifications of the upcoming Pixel 8a, promising even more substantial upgrades to the series. The standout feature of the Pixel 7a was its introduction of a 90Hz display, addressing a common complaint from users of previous models. Building upon this, the Pixel 8 will elevate the A series display to new heights. While maintaining the same resolution and size, the OLED panel now boasts an impressive 120Hz refresh rate and a peak HDR brightness of 1400 nits on par with the higher-end Pixel 8. Additionally, sourcing panels from both BO and Samsung ensures consistency in performance between the Pixel 8 and its premium counterpart. Furthermore, leaked designs of the Pixel 8 suggest that Google has refined the display's corner radius to align more closely with the sleek aesthetics of the Pixel 8 series. The Pixel 8 series has always been lauded for its exceptional camera performance, thanks to Google's renowned processing algorithms. Despite trailing behind in hardware specifications, Pixel phones consistently deliver outstanding photography results. With the Pixel 8a, Google maintains the same 64MP Sony IMX787 primary sensor introduced in the Pixel 7a. While the hardware remains unchanged, advancements in processing capabilities, courtesy of the Tensor G3 processor, may further enhance image quality. Stay tuned as we anticipate the official unveiling of the Google Pixel 8a, poised to redefine the standards for budget-friendly smartphones with its enhanced display and camera prowess. New additions to the Huawei lineup.